my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, keep pumping, bro. I think we're actually gonna make it to 70k, bro. This is actually fucking perfect, dog. Oh my god, we just hit 70k. Okay, go back to the website right now. Move the liquidity, minus button, 100%. Click on confirm. Oh my gosh, we just made. This might sound insane, but I've made over $925,000 in 30 days with this Phantom wallet by launching meme coins on Solana. Watch closely as I'm about to explain it how I did it. I need you guys to lock in with me. Now, creating meme coins is the only way you guys are actually gonna be making it. You cannot trade these coins, bro. All of them, every single one of them will rug inevitably. And you, if you want to be the one profiting off of this, the strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys is creating a coin, waiting for buyers, and then removing the liquidity. Now, most of you guys are probably poor and broke, and that's fine, bro. I was there too. Trust me. Now, you only need a less than 1 Solana to your name to start your journey. And how will it go? Well, we're gonna go over to Coinlabs.Fun. This website will allow you guys to create your meme coins, and what we're gonna do is, as I said before, creating a coin and getting a ton of buys and then just selling everything after. Now, the thing that is great about this strategy is that it's almost free and it's fully repeatable, so you can keep going until you're satisfied with the amount of money that you have made. And then once that money starts pouring in, bro, it's gonna keep pouring in. You guys are gonna have things that you never had before. You guys are gonna be able to buy things you never thought you could buy. All of this through creating meme coins. Now stay tuned, I'm gonna be explaining even more. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, if y'all want to print a shit ton of money, listen up. Coinlabs.Fun is the best way to go. It requires no coding. Your coins get created in seconds on the Radium liquidity pool. And what that is, basically the liquidity pool for all the big ass coins that everyone sees. And you'll be getting way more buys as if you created your coin on Pump.Fun. Now, why Pump.Fun is horrible is because your coins need to reach a $90,000 market cap. And what that does is at 90,000, your coin gets put to the liquidity pool on Radium, but it takes way too much time. This is why Coinlabs fixes all those problems. Now, my favorite feature on Coinlabs.Fun is actually the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab does is it goes through all of Bullex, all of Pump.Fun, and goes through all of Photon, trying to find coins that are proven concepts. These coins, all of these coins here are proven concepts. These will make money. And my 3 golden rules for this is to find a coin with over $30,000 in market cap and to assure that it has enough traction to support itself. Then my second rule is to have a last bought in under 15 seconds ago so that it is still trending. And my third rule is the narrative. You have to have a good narrative that is active, a narrative that is in the news, something that is important. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good, so that's why y'all are gonna be seeing them a hella ton because I am on vacation. All right, so we're gonna create a coin right now. We're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, all right. Now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.